Welcome friends. This video is a take two on my the Santa Fe military train that I put up previously. So I got these two train sets on Sunday, so naturally I'm pretty wrapped with them. Here's the boxes over here. Rail charger, lifelike rail charger. So in my mind it's a pretty impressive train set, and getting two of them was really good. Anyway, so yeah, it's a really good looking train. So I'll just bring it forward to show you the missiles that you've seen before. This is a different aspect of them, different camera. Okay, missiles. That's the USAF missiles there. That's the US Army one there. And following those are two USAF missiles. And the security caboose there. We'll just give her a run. Beautiful train, beautiful. Those Bachmann low loaders are first class, absolutely first class. Get it going a bit faster now. There we go. There she goes. There we go. Let's go up in the chopper for a while. There we go, up in the chopper. Where are we? There we go. There she goes. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Whoops, looks like those boxes went for a ride. Okay, cut back down to earth now. Okay. So I'll give her a slower down there. There we go. Beautiful. Cheerio.